Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the reasons why one should use Windows as a host operating system for learning cloud technologies. There are few reasons which can play an important role in your decision to select your preferred OS to learn cloud technologies. So let's discuss those reasons. The very first is if your project or your upcoming project depends upon a single platform and here that platform is Windows, then you really have no other choice apart from using Windows. The second reason is if your project uses hybrid stack. Hybrid stack is something in which your project depends on multiple platforms, that is Windows as well as Linux. In such scenarios too, using Windows makes sense. The third reason is if you're using cloud services provided by Microsoft, and just for the information, Microsoft provides cloud services under the name Microsoft Azure. So if you're using certain Microsoft Azure services which depends on certain Windows functionalities like the Windows container, Active Directories, PowerShell scripting, etc., in such cases too, you can use Windows operating system. The fourth reason is if you are a .NET developer and working on a Windows platform for quite a long time. Now you might be very much familiar with the complete Windows ecosystem. In that case, it might be difficult for you to switch to another platform. So you can still continue using Windows if you have nothing to do with any of the other platforms that are available. But just for the information, it is a good thing that Microsoft has open source .NET Core and it's available for Linux. So you can develop your favorite .NET applications on the Linux platform as well. Isn't that great? Yes, it is. That's all for this video. In our next video, we are going to discuss the reasons why we should not be using Windows as our host operating system for learning cloud technologies. Thank you guys for listening me.